So many people, when they're starting out as an entrepreneur, they're going to launch their first Amazon product. They're worried about their brand, they're worried about the entity, they're worried about the email address and the logo and the trademark and all this other stuff, when all they should be focusing on is finding that one winning product. Because as you guys know, at the AMZ formula, our slogan is you're only one product away. So many people ask me, Josh, when do I get my entity? What do I do? Do I do an LLC, a C Corp, an S Corp, a sole prop? What do I do? And here's my answer to a majority of you guys. Now, this may not be applicable to some of you guys who actually have established brands, you have investors, so on and so forth. But if you're a newbie and you're starting out, you're doing this all by yourself, what I highly suggest is you get started, do the product research, understand the business, educate yourself on the business, find products, test products, and once you find that winner and you start actually generating revenue, then look into the trademark, look into the entity, so on and so forth. Full disclaimer, I can't give you like investing advice, or I can't give you legal advice, nothing like that. But I can tell you 9 times out of 10, an LLC or limited liability company or just a standard sole prop is the best for people when they're starting out. You can always change these entities through filing a simple form. And again, you can talk to your accountant or your CPA about that and they can help and advise. But guys, you do not need an entity to get started selling on Amazon. You can literally use an EIN, you can use a SSN or social security number, and you can get started that way, right? After you start generating some revenue, you're going to want the protection and the credit as well as the tax savings by having an entity. That way you make sure that everything is safe, everything's secure. But the most important factor, guys, do not fall victim to analysis paralysis, is finding that product and understanding how this business works. Check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.